Imagine traveling at speeds of over 300 miles per hour. This isn't a scene from science fiction. It's China's high-speed bullet train revolutionizing travel and connecting cities like never before. Marlon Samuels crisscrossed China using bullet trains, and he filed this report.
In just under 4 hours, this engineered marvel whisks passengers from Beijing to Suzhou, a city renowned for its beautiful gardens and the silk industry. Traveling at 320 miles per hour, the train uses advanced magnetic levitation technology, reducing friction and making these incredible speeds possible.
High-speed train is a very good choice. As long as the distance is shorter than 1,000 kilometers, I think a high-speed train is very punctual and very you will not be disturbed by the weather. So, of course, if you travel longer than that distance, you better take the plane.
This high-speed rail network isn't just about saving time. It's about transforming economies, boosting tourism, and fostering cultural exchanges across regions.
I am really excited. In Brazil, we don't have this type of technology, so it's for the first time I'm here in a high-speed train. So I want to see how fast we can be and how quick we can get to the place that we want. And I'm just excited to see the results of this trip.
For Jamaica, where travel can be slow and expensive due in part to the island's topography, adopting innovative transport options inter-island, like a fast train or improved air connectivity, can be a game changer. Quicker inter-island access means more tourists, new opportunities for trade and economic growth across the region. The bullet train symbolizes China's drive for progress and innovation. For countries like Jamaica and the Caribbean, embracing these technologies could lead to a more connected and prosperous future, shrinking distances and boosting economies. I am Marlon Samuels, reporting for PBCJ News on the bullet train.